These are gentlemen from Scotland.
Okay.
These are from Scotland. They want directions. They want you to tell them directions for the hostel.
For a hostel?
No, they had the address. They want you to know if you know it.
We don't have the address.
You don't have the bloody address?
It was on my phone, but I ran out of battery.
Oh, you see, you should have charged your phone up.
We should.
I did try and warn you all.
What we're going to do is we're going to go to that cafe and just sit in there and then we'll charge it there.
Oh well, I tried.
Okay.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
You're on YouTube now.